In this video, we'll summarize the key new features available in the Layer7 API Developer Portal 5.0 release. Release highlights include policy management using policies imported from the Gateway Policy plugin, improved management and deployment of API keys, a new dashboard and refreshed portal theme, and enhanced permissions for org publishers. We've also introduced the API Hub, which lets you provide a customized API consumer portal experience to promote your API program and include custom content for your API consumers. At the end of the video, you'll find a link to a separate video for more details about the API Hub. In this release, improvements to the API portal user experience make it easier to navigate and find what you need fast. We've given the portal a redesigned theme with lighter colors. The streamlined global menu bar provides simplified role-based navigation for the most common product operations. The new portal dashboard provides simple search options to enable quicker access to APIs and applications. And the new dashboard header provides personalized access to key entities. Analytics are available directly from the dashboard to help you get a quick view of important metrics, such as API traffic. From the dashboard, you can also access an improved API creation wizard. The workflow is streamlined to provide access to most configuration options on the Details section, and new sections for API visibility permissions and tags. Starting this release, Portal supports complete policy lifecycle management, involving upload and deployment of gateway bundles and policy reuse. After a bundle has been created using the Gateway Policy plugin, simply upload it into the portal and deploy it to your available proxies. Uploading an encapsulated assertion bundle generates a reusable policy template, which can be associated to and deployed together with your APIs. This release also features simplified management of API keys and applications. You can define more granular access within a single application without having to create and manage numerous applications. You can also add additional API key and secret pairs and disable or enable each API key independently. Lastly, you can control the deployment of each API key to each environment and the designated proxy. You can perform all of these operations through the Portal UI and through the Portal API. From the Proxies page, you can now set the deployment type for both your APIs and API keys. Meanwhile, the Applications page lets you add and configure additional API keys. Note that the application's existing API key has been converted to the default key. Easily add, enable, and generate secrets for the new key. Once the new key is created, you can control individual deployments easily on the Deployments tab. From the APIs page, you can test access to your API using a specific key through the Swagger UI. The API Specs tab now supports selection of applications and the API keys available for testing. Using custom reports, you can view API hits by API key. Add a filter for API keys to your report, and then choose the API keys to display based on name or rank. On the report, you can see the API traffic by the keys you selected, as well as which API keys belong to which application. The new org publisher role introduced in the last release now has increased visibility through analytics. When logged in as an org publisher, to understand the consumption of APIs across organizations, you can now view analytics reports for all the APIs and applications owned by your organization, as well as applications of other organizations using your APIs. The org publisher can also now filter custom reports by proxy or organization. We hope you enjoy the new features in Layer7 API Developer Portal 5.0. Click the links at the end of this video for more information.